No, I am.
Laylan, look. Look what you got.
First stocking.
Laylan. Look. You gonna pull the giraffe out? Look. What's that? What is it? Is that for Laylan?
He's not gonna know what to do with all this.
Hey, Laylan, what's this? What's that?
Sweet potato puffs.
Your favorite sweet potatoes. Is there more in there? What else is in there? Oh, we forgot your spoons. Look. Ooh, what is that? Okay, there's a zebra.
Look at all those animals. Like you should just dump his stocking out.
Look, Laylan. What's that?
I remember getting that. Oh,
He didn't.
Santa did.
got him that. There's some teething tablets. He knows exactly what you love. Teething tablets. Look. Look, Laylan. There's more.
What's that? What is that? Thank you, Santa. I'll figure it out. I will slam it. Hit it again.
Okay, look what else. A spinny one.
Leland, look. Leland. Leland, look.
Oh, that one thing's in there. Look, Leland, you got some new baby legs. Ooh, baby legs.
Oh no. What is that, Leland?
And then, look at this. You just want your spoon. Good. Wish we would have gotten you all spoons. That would have been cheap.
Sue does now.
Oh, we didn't get it. Santa got it.
What is that? Was he trying to kick it out of the way?
Leland, is that your stocking?
First stocking ever, yay!
Right. Yay, Leland, Leland. Hey. Leland. Boo! Let's move it out of the way because he doesn't want it.